guys? Today's video, we're gonna be attempting to replace this gear cover for my car. The one over here is broken, so I gotta replace it. I got the part off of like eBay. You can get off Amazon, anywhere. Just look up IS250 or IS350 gear cover. Take this off. It's kind of like just wedged in there, so you like pry open from here, pull closer to you, and it just like comes right out. And then you want to get a pry tool and like lift this place up. Just walk around the edges and pry it open. It's probably best to take this off. You take that off. This out. Like there's a tab there that won't come off. Come on, baby. I'm gonna assume this wire is the reason why it won't come off. Let me see if I could take that off for now. The wire is definitely in the way. I'm gonna loosen it up for a bit. And you want to be careful because there's some clips and some wire on the sides. You don't want to like pull that. Okay. Gonna dust all this out for now. Just slide it out of here. There's the broken one. Slide in the new one. This way. Should be in this way. So, and you kind of want to line this up to where like you want that hole to slide into that place. Then make sure you connect all these back. like that. We got it in there. Slide this back in there. Put these back in as well. So they just, I'm gonna tuck these cables back. Just these lock into there and then kind of just wedge it in there. And it's back in there. Take this one as well, line it up. And just like that, got it fixed. So the old one broke. And that's about it.